In this video, I'll show you how to bypass parental controls on Wi-Fi PC. Firstly, open your preferred VPN app. For this guide, we'll use NordVPN as an example. Locate and open the settings menu on your VPN app, then find the Auto Connect option. Toggle off the option Choose a VPN protocol and server automatically to select your own settings. Choose Nord Links if you need to bypass mild parental controls. Or choose OpenVPN TCP if you need to bypass firewalls or stricter parental controls. If you selected OpenVPN, click Advanced Settings, then toggle Obfuscated Servers to enable the stealth mode. Now, return to the VPN homepage, search for and select a server location, then, if using obfuscation, go to Spectacular Server and select Obfuscated Servers. Click on your preferred location and NordVPN will automatically assign you the best server in that location. To ensure that the VPN is working properly, visit ipleak.net and check if your real IP address is hidden. After completing the above steps, try accessing previously blocked websites or services. If successful, the VPN has bypassed the parental controls. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.